In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Xbox app is not updating. So if you're trying to update your Xbox app and it keeps getting stuck or it's just not working in general, then there's a couple different ways to fix this. The first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu on your computer and just search for settings. Then you need to click on the settings window and from the left hand side select Windows Update. Then the first thing we're going to do is just press this check for updates button here and ensure you're running the latest version of Windows. Sometimes outdated software can also cause compatibility issues with the Xbox app, so if there are any pending updates inside of here, then you'll need to go ahead and install those now. Once you've done that, click on Apps from the left hand side and then select Installed Apps. Using the search box, type in the word Xbox and hit enter, and next to the Xbox app, click the three horizontal dots and select Advanced Options. Then you need to scroll down to the Reset section, and first thing we're going to do is click on the Repair button, give that a few seconds to complete, and once that's done, you're then going to hit Reset. Then just click on the reset button like so, and once you've finished resetting the app, you can then try launching it back up and checking to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not updating, then the last thing I'd recommend doing here is just pressing this uninstall button and going ahead and uninstalling the application. Once you've removed the Xbox app, you can then head over to the Microsoft Store, come over to the search box at the top and type in Xbox, and then from here you'll just need to select the Xbox app and re-download it to your computer. Once you've done that, click on Downloads from the left hand side, and then you'll just need to press this Get Updates button. Now, if any updates are detected, then it will list them here below and you can go ahead and install them. If you just see this open button next to the Xbox app, then it's likely already fully up to date. Now, another thing you can do to fix this issue is head back over to the settings page and from the left hand side select Time and Language. Then click on Date and Time, and where it says Set Time Zone Automatically, you want to make sure this is turned on like so, and also the Set Time Automatically should also be turned on. Then we can come down to additional settings, and where it says Sync Now, press the Sync Now button, and this is another way to fix the Xbox app not updating. Now, the last solution, if that's still not working, is to head over to your start menu once again, and this time search for PowerShell. Then you need to right click on the Windows PowerShell and run this as administrator. From this window here, there's two commands that you need to copy and paste inside of here. So I've got this in my notepad over here, and I'll leave this in the video description. So I'm just going to copy the first command by right clicking and selecting copy, head back over to the PowerShell and then paste the command inside of here and hit enter. Once you've typed in that command, you can then head back over to the notepad and we're going to copy this second command, head back over to PowerShell and then paste it in like so and hit enter. Then what will happen is it will bring up the Microsoft Store like so, and next to Gaming Services, you just want to press this Get button to download this to your device. And once that's finished downloading, you can try opening up the Xbox app, and that should have fixed any updating issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.